Most women do see their stretch marks on their breasts, hips, thighs, and butts. Right, so in today's videos I will be sharing with you guys on some natural home remedy you can use to get rid of your stretch marks. Right, so number one of them is aloe vera rub down. All you need is aloe vera. Aloe vera is known to contain enough antioxidant. It prevents bacteria, repairs damaged skin cells. Right, all you need is to remove the aloe vera scrub, rub it on that area where you have stretch marks, rub it round about that area, and then use a white clean towel soaked in warm water to clean it off after 10 to 15 minutes. The next is a sweet like sugar scrub. All you need here is sugar. Sugar being that it helps to remove dead skin cell and also helps to increase blood circulation, which heals stretch mark. Sugar also attracts moisture from the environment, making it hydrating and gentle scrub. Alright, what you'll be needing here is to mix just 1 cup of sugar with half cup of coconut oil. 1 cup of sugar and half cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is very moisturizing and it increases the elasticity of the skin by strengthening it. So you add lemon to the sugar and mix them very well. Right, after which you add your half sliced lemon. Lemon has enough collagen that the skin needs. It has enough collagen. Right, when you must have added your lemon, you have to mix the 3 of them together. As you can see, after mixing them, you rub them on that affected area. Rub them on that affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. And try this as often as you can in a week.